Good morning students. Today we will do our next question number 3rd of exercise 7.2. The question is you have to show that triangle AMP congruent to triangle AMQ. In the following proof, supply the missing result. So you can see here the figure is given already in which two triangles are given, triangle AMP and triangle AMQ, in which AM is the common side of both of these two triangles. Clear? So there are 4 steps in which we have to write the reason. So first is PM is equal to QM. So you can see here this is PM and this is QM. So you can see here the mark which is of equality. So PM is equal to QM. Yes. And the reason is what? It is given. The reason is given. Alright. Next, angle PMA is equal to angle QMA, which is PMA, this one, and QMA, this one. So it is again given equal. Alright. It is the mark for equality of two angles. So you write here given. Next, third one is AM is equal to AM. Again, AM is common between both of these two triangles. So you write here common side. AM is equal to AM, common side. Last one is triangle AMP congruent to triangle AMQ. AMP is equal to AMQ. Yes, because this is side, this is angle, and this is side. You can see here side, angle, side. So by which congruence rule both of these two triangles are congruent? By SAS congruence rule. S stand for side, A stand for angle, and S stand for again side. So you can write here SAS congruence rule. Okay students? So this is your question number 3rd. Next, this is your question number 4th. The question is in triangle ABC, measure of angle A is 30 degree and angle B is equal to 40 degree and measure of angle C is 110 degree. On the other side, the another triangle named PQR in which measure of angle P is 30, measure of angle Q is 40 and measure of angle R is 110 degree. So a student says that triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not? So you can see here both of these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. But this criterion is satisfied here or not? The answer is no. No, because the two triangles with equal corresponding angles need not be congruent. In such a correspondence, one of them can be enlarged copy of other. For example, if the two triangles are congruent, then they having same size and shape. उनका the size और shape की होगी same होगी. Alright. So suppose that this is two triangles A, B, C, P, Q, R. 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm, 6, 8, and 10. Alright. Suppose that the measure of this angle is 90 degree, this is 30, this is 60. This is 90 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. But you can see here in both of these two triangles the length of sides are, corresponding sides are different. Angle should be same, but the length of corresponding sides are different. So that's why these triangles are not congruent. Dear students, अगर दो triangles दिया corresponding sides equal होंगे, ठीक है, then it is congruent. और ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਸੀਂ रूल ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ SAS, ASA, clear? अगर ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੋਈ criterion satisfy कर रहा, in that case the triangle should be congruent. But this angle congruence rule doesn't satisfy here. All right. So this is your question number 4. Next, this is your question number 5th. The question is in this figure, two triangles are congruent. This is the two triangles which are congruent, RAT, and the other triangle is NOW. Alright, the corresponding parts are marked. So you can see here, this is the mark for equality. AT side equal to This one RA side equal to WO, angle A is equal to angle O, angle T is equal to angle N, angle R is equal to angle W. Alright, we can write the triangle RAT congruent to which triangle? We have to write the triangle in the symbolic form. Alright, so first these two triangles are congruent. We know that because AT is equal to OM, RA is equal to WO, and three angles are already given equal. So we can take any one of the angles. Alright, so the two triangles are congruent. So the corresponding parts are which one? The corresponding parts are, you can write here A correspond to O. Clear? A correspond to O. This one. Next, R correspond to which one? W. So write here R corresponds to W. And the third one, T corresponds to which one? N. T corresponds to N. Clear? And right here in the sides, AT is equal to NO. This is given. Next one, RA is equal to W. It is again given. And the third one, the angle including between the two corresponding sides in both of these two triangles are angle A and angle O. Angle A is equal to angle O. It is again given. We can take that angle which is given in the included between these two sides, side RA and side AT. So name of this angle is angle A, and on the other side, this angle given between the two included sides are which one? NO and OW is between angle O. So R correspond to W, A correspond to O, and T correspond to N. So triangle by which one? By SAS, side angle side. Alright, side angle side. So by SAS congruence rule, triangles are congruent. So write here first. By SAS congruence rule, triangle RAT, this one congruent to triangle WON. Because R correspond to W, A correspond to O, and T correspond to N. So this is the congruence of triangle in the symbolic form. So this is your question number 5.